In this review, I'm going to be taking a closer look at Sqribble, a brand new cloud-based tool that allows you to create ebooks, reports, white papers or other digital books on the fly, quickly and easily. We'll cover what it does, who it's for, how much it costs, what the upsells are, and the pros and cons of this new tool, so you can make a more informed decision about purchasing it, and if it's right for you. What is Sqribble? Sqribble is a cloud-based ebook creator tool. It allows you to create professional-looking ebooks, based on templates inside the tool, with a few clicks, saving you a huge amount of time and money. Unlike other ebook creators, Sqribble immediately caught my attention because it has some really useful features I haven't seen anywhere else. Here are a few features that really blew me away. Automatic content. Yep, you can actually use Sqribble to fill your book with expert content, so you don't have to write a word. This is content from around the web, based on the URL you provide. You can pull content from any URL, paste it directly, extract from a Word doc, or from their own library of niche articles. Total game changer. This is a huge time saver and a major plus for anyone who hates writing or doesn't have time to do it. Gorgeous e-covers. A lot of ebook tools might save time, but they turn out terrible e-covers for your books. Sqribble is different here. The covers are seriously impressive. They wouldn't look out of place on Kindle or Amazon, and they instantly look like you're a professional who commands trust and authority. Create flipbooks. This is one of my favorite things about Sqribble. You can turn your flat books into interactive flipbooks. This makes your digital book look and feels much more like a real book, with pages that turn, animated like a real book page turning, and make the book look like something you can reach out and grab. Why does this matter? It's about standing out and grabbing attention. Plus, it's a way to engage your readers better. If they enjoy the experience of reading your book, flipping the pages, they're more likely to get value from your content and keep reading until the end where your pitch or call to action is. Another thing about flipbooks is that you can embed them on your website with a simple piece of code that Sqribble provides once you publish your book. Awesome! What else can Sqribble do? Sqribble is a versatile tool, with tons more features I found useful. For example, here's what else Sqribble can do. Automatic table of contents. Automatic headers and footers. Automatic pagination. Drag and drop design. Add or delete pages. Add your own media. 300 plus Google fonts. 50 ebook templates covering 15 different niches. 10 different ebook themes. One click changes the color scheme of the book. Import content from a URL. Manually add content. And that's just the stuff I saw inside the dashboard. There are tons of features packed into this tool, making it one of the best ebook creators I've seen, but there is one slight negative point which I'll cover down below. Who is it for? Sqribble is most suited for freelancers, independent internet marketers, small marketing agencies and small business owners who want to create lead magnets, publish Kindle books, create and sell ebooks, or publish white papers. If you're also looking to create an additional income, you'll be pleased to know that also included is a commercial agency license to use Sqribble for client work. Offering ebook creation services, with the ability to create unlimited ebooks which you can sell and keep all the profits. They also give you a ready-built agency website with pre-filled portfolio that you can upload to any domain for instant authority. So that you can show it off to any new potential clients to get work. Professional websites like this would cost you at least $600 alone, so it's really good value. Also included is an inbuilt client feedback tool to collaborate with clients on ebook projects more easily. I love this feature. What does it cost? Normally $197, but the special launch price is a one-time $47. Any upsells? Yes, there are currently 4 upsells. You don't really need all of them to use Sqribble, but they might come in useful depending on your situation and usage. Here's what they are. Upsell 1, Sqribble Professional. Unlock 150 more professional ebook templates. The best ones are in the professional version, graphics and even more ready-made content for all kinds of niches. Just so you know, single templates from stock websites would cost you up to $450 for just one template. Great for those that want more variety, content and heavy users. Upsell 2, Sqribble Prime. Get 15 premium, limited edition, new ebook templates added to your Sqribble dashboard every month. This will increase your library over time, and make you stand out from other users. It works out to less than $2 for a template. Much cheaper than stock sites. Great for moderate users. Upsell 3, Sqribble Fantasia 3D. This includes 2-in-1 features. 1. Unlocks a 3D cover creation tool inside your dashboard, allowing you to turn flat covers into lifelike 3D covers. Great for getting more attention and making your books look and feel more real. People do judge a book by its cover, so something to keep in mind. 2. Create flipbooks that turn your ebooks into interactive and animated pages that turn like in real life. They can be linked to from anywhere online, as well as embedded on web pages with a single piece of code. Upsell 4, Auto Job Finder software. If you're going to be using Sqribble to create ebooks as a service to get paid, then Auto Job Finder is something that you need. It will automatically find you related jobs across various freelance websites and notify you so that you can fulfill them. A huge time saver and money earner. The bad. The 3D cover is locked behind an upsell. The good. Easy to use. Glitch-free. Unlimited use, one-time payment. Exclamation mark. The awesome, tons of beautiful templates. Professional page layouts. Automatic content, saves time. Flipbook Creator, available through third upsell. Conclusion, there have been plenty of ebook creator tools in the past, but I haven't seen any that make the entire process as smooth and quick as Sqribble. It's surprisingly glitch-free. Most low-priced tools like this are buggy as hell, and it's packed with some really cool features. The templates are very nice looking, the layouts are professional, and the fact you can automatically add content makes this a must-have. For anyone who's tired of spending hours slaving over book design, writing content and screwing around with formatting. The icing on the cake is the commercial license which is included. Normally vendors charge extra for this, so it's a huge value-added bonus. The additional provided done for you agency website is just over delivery. Sqribble has been developed by Adil Chowdhury, who is a well-known internet entrepreneur and bestseller, with over 10 years of experience and has previously created worldwide hits. Such as Pixel Studio FX, which sold tens of thousands of units all around the world. He's known for creating high-quality professional solutions, and I expect no less from Sqribble. If you're planning to create ebooks, reports or Kindle books in the near future, you owe it to yourself, and your sanity, to pick this up, as it's a tool that you'll definitely need in your business. To learn more about Sqribble, just check out the link below and you can start creating.